Hi guys, it's Kim from Unpolished Gardens, and here we have brought home some baby chickens. Look at these. They are the Americanas. They lay blue eggs. We have 6 chickens now, and I've been wanting to add to them, and I really wanted to get some blue egg layers. I mean, look at that sweet little baby. And they are the sweetest. Like, they want you to pet them. Oh my gosh. Aren't they cute? And they could be black or silver, and we're thinking this one's going to be silver. We have 2 lighter ones and then 2 darker ones. So we're hoping to get a silver Americana out of it. Aw, they are so cute, and they just fit in your hand. Aw, they are so sweet. And there's the other little one. Oh, he's tiny. Oh. And so we're just going to show you how we get set up with the chickens. We've done this multiple times, and this works really well. We have an old cage that my daughter used for her guinea pig. And it works actually really well. Like, it keeps them all in. Like, it's been actually the best setup that we've used for the chickens. So we're going to go ahead and get that filled with some bedding and fill their food and water, get their light on, and they'll be ready to go. Chips, but we've just got this chopped straw, so I'm just going to throw it in here, and then I'm going to go get some wood chips when I clean it out again. This will be fine for now. Alright, so I just filled the water feeder up, and then I've got to get the food feeder. And the only one that I can find is a larger one. So we're going to have to, I don't know where the little one went for the babies, but this will work for overnight, and we'll go back and we'll get a smaller feeder just to give them a little more room to run around. They're teeny tiny right now, so they'll be fine even with the bigger feeder. So I'm going to go grab that and get some feed in it. We've got the food here, and we're going to get the little feeder filled up. And this is just the premium chicken flock raiser crumbles. It's just for the babies, so we're just going to pour that in. And I'm not going to put a ton in there tonight because we are going to go get a smaller feeder. This one's going to be, I mean, it'll work for now, but it's really going to be too big when they start moving around. And we could keep them in this cage. I kept them in here for 8 weeks last time. We did have a slightly smaller feeder, but it worked perfectly. Like, they had room to run around, and we'll get the heat lamp on there, but it was pretty good size for them when they were little. The feeder's a little bit big, but it'll be all right. I'll just put it up. And now we're just going to put these babies in there. Come on, little guy. There you go. Oh my gosh, they are the sweetest little birds. If anybody's wondering and trying to get Americanas for the eggs they lay, they are the sweetest little things. I mean, they don't run from you. Oh my gosh, they're just so cute. Oh. Hello, little guy. Hello. Yeah, let's go put him in the water. There's the water, guys. And there's your food. Let's go dip them all in the water. It's just good to let them know where everything is. Oh, you're being a little silly. There you go. There's your food. There you go. He's figured it out. Let's see. There you go. There's your food. There you go. Aww. They're so cute. Those two have figured it out. These two are not so sure yet. Hello, little guys. Oh. Here they go. Aw. All right, now it's time just to get the lid on there and get the light on there for them, because they have to have a light. They have to stay warm. So they're gonna live with us in the house for about 8 weeks, and then, well, depending on temperature, they may stay in a little longer than that. You can't put them out until they get their feathers, so they'll have a light in the other chicken coop that they'll be going into, so they should be okay in about 8-10 weeks maybe. We'll see how it goes with them and how fast they get their feathers. But now we're just going to get them set up and get a light on them, and then they're just, that's as easy as it is to have chickens. We usually just keep them in the house. We don't put them out in a barn or anything, so we're going to go get the light on there. And we're just going to clip this light on. Really needs to hang more down. Probably isn't the best setup for the light. It'll work though. Aren't they the cutest chickens, guys? Oh my gosh, they are the sweetest little guys. And I don't think I've had any chickens that have just let you hold them and pet them like those have. And they are the Americanas. They do lay the blue eggs. Just make sure you stay tuned to watch the updates. We'll give you random updates on these little guys. Watch them grow and watch us introduce them to our other chickens. And that should be interesting. So make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And until next time, bye guys.